Hello and welcome to Brand New Vegan. This is Chuck, and today I'm making some potato chip dip or veggie dip, the French onion dip. Remember those little packets we used to get, little envelopes? You'd mix it with sour cream. Oh, so good. This is just like that, only actually better. It's healthier. So it's really easy. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Here's some simple ingredients. There's some balsamic, some apple cider vinegar. We're basically going to caramelize an onion and then make sour cream in a blender, and then mix the two together. It's really simple. So let's chop our onion up and get the skin off. And I just sliced it up into little rings. And you can chop it up into dice, you can do however you want, but I just did the rings. Now the trick here is to get a frying pan with a nice big wide surface area on it. Biggest one you got. No oil, no water, no nothing. We're just gonna put in the onions. We're going to add like 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt over the top. Put it on medium-low heat, like number 4 on my stove. And then let them sit 30 minutes. Don't touch them, don't stir them, don't nothing. While they're cooking, you come over here and you do your sour cream, which is basically tofu, extra firm, and some lemon juice, some apple cider vinegar, a little bit of salt, and I have some maple syrup, a little bit of sweetness, and some seasoning, and all the ingredients, all the spices and everything are going to be in the link below. I did the Worcestershire just for a little bit of that beefy flavor for French onion soup. There's the seasoning. Get it all in your blender, mix it all up really good, nice and thick. And it's good just like that, but when you add this caramelized onion, ooh, we'll see after 30 minutes they're starting to brown nice. Now you're going to have those little brown bits on the bottom. I did a little bit of balsamic. That's called the fond. And you want to scrape that up and mix it all in. It makes it so good. So from this point on, you just kind of scrape. You let it cook for a few minutes. When you see some more brown stuff, you add a little veggie broth or water. You scrape it up again. And you keep doing this until you get the onions the color you like. Nice and brown like those. Then you mix them into your dip. And you turn on the blender. I didn't like just super whiz it so it's nice and creamy. I left mine kind of chunky. You can do yours however you like. But I tell you what, this dip is so good. So if you have those little veggie trays for, holiday party or whatever, or you have some of my homemade potato chips, oh my God, this stuff is, as my kids would say, this stuff is the bomb. You're gonna love it. So that's my video for the week. Hope you like it. If you do, be sure and give me a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe if you haven't. I try to do one of these videos every single week, and can't wait to see what I'm going to make next week. I have no idea, but you'll be the first to know. Anyway, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan, and thanks for watching.